Hello, so this is what I've shopped today. Now let's see how much of it is plastic and what kind of plastic it is. These are the things I got. So this is number 2 HDPE. It's number 2 plastic, as you can see here. So I'm showing you the brand which is marketing this kind of non-biodegradable product. It's Fevicol, a pretty popular brand. HDPE2, it's recyclable but only up to a certain number of times. And it's not tagged here what kind of plastic this is, and this is metal. This is paper, and this is number 3 and number 2.
Two.
Both.
Okay, it's both.
Both,
yeah.
yeah.
Two
So
and
maybe
three.
2 kinds of plastic
Yeah.
on this whole thing. This should be HDPE. This one. Inside of it, it's a metal blade. And I got this small shaving head. It's not written what kind of plastic.
I think it's a multi-layered or something like that.
Maybe.
No, not multi-layered. I don't think so.
Maybe.
But yeah,
This is just thread. There's no plastic and
I think there's a paper.
paper. Yeah. There's
Small paper.
No plastic. This is absolutely natural. This has a little bit of plastic here, and the carry bag in which I got all this is also
Two.
number 2
HDPE.
So yeah, the plastic which I carried all of my stuff in is made in Gujarat. So even the carry bag is not local. We want to cut down on wastes by cutting down on the transport. So if even the smallest of things come from far away, doesn't make any sense. We're living in Guwahati and it's coming from the other end of India. So why not use something which is local, like I don't know, maybe like a jute bag from maybe West Bengal, or maybe something in Guwahati, like maybe a bamboo bag. And it says Swachh Bharat, keep your city clean, your own city clean, like maybe where it's made, but don't care about where it ends up. Keep your own city clean, right?
And again, like in some plastic bottles, you'll find like two types of like plastics are there.
Yeah, so recyclable for bottle and recyclable for shrunk sleeve. So how do I, as a member of the general public, reuse this, recycle this?
That's why I think like they have this one buyback price
Buy
for
back.
empty packs, which
Okay,
is
okay,
like six rupees per kilo.
Yeah. So buyback is another thing that
Which can
people really need to know about,
Yeah.
because even this plastic bag has a buyback thing, 15 rupees per kilo in dry condition. So make sure all of your stuff, don't throw it, but if you really have to throw it, make sure it's dry waste, right? Plastic is dry waste, so waste segregation is really important. This doesn't have one, does it? Okay, it's also 6 per kilo. Yeah, so this feature has been added, thankfully, but
This is something which call like
greenwashing. So for those who don't know what is greenwashing is when a brand or a company shows that they're actually doing good for the environment while also producing harmful products. That is greenwashing. And I want to be really accountable for all the plastic that I'm using. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. So last night there was some heavy rain and all this came washing down from up above. No, you must be wondering how it ended up here. It was all in the drains. People have been throwing away, dumping their waste into drains, and this is how it happened. It all takes one step in the right direction, which is evidently not happening here. You can't just have a good, clean looking road. You need to have a lot of planning.
It's a diaper.
Yeah.
Baby diaper. Baby diaper, baby diaper, baby diaper.